2. The October unemployment rate in a rural country is estimated to be 8.5%. If the actual rate is more than 8.5%, the country will receive state aid. In a survey of 1,200 people randomly chosen from the country, 150 people are found to be unemployed. Is there evidence that this country should receive state aid? Use a significance level of 5%. So we need our hypotheses first. So we are told that unemployment rate is estimated to be 8.5%. So our null hypothesis is that the proportion is equal to 0.085. And we know that if it's more than 8.5%, the country receives state aid. So the proportion here would be greater than 0.085. Okay? And based upon this then, we know that the mean of our sampling distribution of p hat is going to be equal to 0.085. And the standard deviation of our sampling distribution is the square root of 0.085 times 0.915 divided by 1200. If you throw that into a calculator, you should get an answer of about 0.010. Okay, and now we need our p-value. So if we put this into my template that I have here, we were given the sampling size of 1200, number of successes of 150. We want the target proportion to be 8.5%. Significance level is 5%. And we want this to be a greater than proportion. So because of this, we see we have our z statistic of 4.97. So the z statistic will be 4.97. And as we can also see from on here, we have a very low p-value of 3.37258 e negative 07. So because of that, we have ourselves a p-value of 0.000000, so a total of 6 zeros here. 337 about. Okay, and we can also see on here we have both of these assumptions met, right? 102 and 1098. Both of those are greater than 15, so this is also approximately normal. And now both of our assumptions are met, which is a good thing. We want those to be met. But the specific conclusion for this, put that down here, at the 5% level of significance, right, we have ourselves a p-value right here very low, much less than 5%. So now we can reject the null hypothesis. So we have evidence to suggest that the proportion of people who are unemployed in a rural county is greater than 8.5%.